How to fix Facebook page isn't available right now on Android. If you have been trying to open any Facebook page right here, but it's showing you that it's not available right now, then that probably means your internet connection is poor. So what you have to do first is check your internet connection. So if you are trying to view any Facebook page, you should be able to load it completely like this, but if you are unable to do so, just go ahead and check your internet connection first. If you are on Wi-Fi network, try switching to data, and if you're on data, try switching over to Wi-Fi network. But if that doesn't work, then what you need to do next is simply open up your settings menu and then scroll down until you find your app settings. Now just search for Facebook right here on the apps. And once you find Facebook, just go ahead and tap on it. First thing first, head over to the storage here and then make sure to clear cache. If you want, you could also try to clear all of its data to completely refresh the app. And if there are any background activities going on, you want to force stop them. So just tap on force stop and then OK. So it will completely block any background activities so that it will be easier for you to load the pages. So from here, make sure all of these permissions are turned on as well. And finally, give your phone a quick restart. After doing all of those, you should be able to fix the problem where your Facebook page isn't available. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.